Assalamualaikum friends, I hope you're quite well. Here is Photoshop bundle, that's mean all is in one. Action, brush, gradient, pattern, shapes, styles and switches. Total size of this folder 1.52 GB and total file is 3255. This file is protected and password in this app. Go to Google Play Store, write Sheri SK, and this app is paid $2.99 for lifetime password access of my any video or any data. So open this. You see here many action. Here is 15,000 and here is professional action for Photoshop, photography action, sketch me for example. Open this and we need a image, girl. Open this and go to action, sketch 1. Wait, whoa, undo. So you can apply one by one. Here is 4 different action of sketch. Next is action how to install golden horse. Okay, Lightroom. Here is infrared photo actions like this. Wow. Okay, next is brushes, all brush collection 1.21 MB file. Oh, while and 10 day back. Okay, and here is font 2305 Gujarati font, and here is Hindi font 43. Next is gradient overlay. Here is 300 gradient overlay. For example, double click and create a new file. Okay, FX gradient overlay. Oh, sorry. Wow, gray, amazing. R is here. Wonderful. You can select one by one or you can edit it. For example, depend your own choice. Okay, I close this. Next is loops. Here is 450 color lookup preset for Photoshop. Patterns, shape. Wow, here is different shaped rings, border, label. Double click here and we need a shape. Click here. Wow, okay, you see, and here is many different eagles, flying birds. Wow, fill this color. You see, or you can more edit now. Amazing. Next is style. Here is 400 style. Click, create new, Right, my channel name Sheri SK. Go to window, click on style, 400 style, extract this. Okay, you see, no. And last is switches, new light. Okay, I hope these files are useful for you, and download this app for password access. Take care, Allah Hafiz.